The second assignment is to remove property phone from all the records. So for this assignment, I'm going to create a new endpoint, correct? Well, absolutely no. We are not going to create a new endpoint for every field that we update. Instead, we have to build our logic in such a way that a single endpoint can handle all the update operations, especially when we don't know what filters and data to update. For example, in this API, we have kept the filter as _ID. That means if we are using this API, we can update the records only by ID, which is absolutely fine. But in enterprise applications, we will always have a situation where we need to update records using different columns or properties. So we cannot keep on creating different APIs like update by ID or update by name, etc. Rather, we create a single API and build the logic in such a way that it does the job. So let's begin. I'm going to use the same API. Here, everything will remain the same. What will I change is just the data part. Instead of writing $set, I will pass this in the request body itself. So in this object, in place of a $set, I will just spread the request body, or I can simply write the request dot body without any curly brackets. And we are done. Let's save this. Now go back to Postman and execute. But before we do that, we need to change the body. $set, curly brackets, and the property. Say some new property. This is new property value. So here, instead of fixing the API only to update or add a property, we are making it a bit dynamic to handle adding or removing the property or properties for the record. Now let's execute. It says modified records 4. Let's check in the database and you see that the new property is added in all the records. Now let's get back to the actual assignment. Remove the property phone from all the records. To remove any property from MongoDB document, we have to use $unset. So here I will say $unset, curly brackets, phone, empty string. And now let's execute this. And again it says modified count 4. And you see that it does the job as desired.